Let's start with the basics. Not all oils are equal, and here is how I separate them. Good oils: extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, beef tallow, ghee, or grass-fed butter. What they have all in common is that they are minimally processed and high in healthy fats. They've been used in various ancient cultures for centuries, unlike modern processed oils. And that brings us to the second category: bad oils, highly processed and refined. Those are the ones you should avoid, like canola oil, corn oil, sunflower, or soybean oil. These oils are ultra-processed, often oxidized, and linked to chronic inflammation. If you use this oil occasionally, like in moderation or baking, it's not end of the world. But for the long-term health, maybe try to prioritize extra virgin olive oil, ghee, butter, coconut oil, and animal fat, like beef tallow or duck fat. And now, what type of oil you should use for what type of baking or cooking? Very simple, this is how it works. First, most common one, high heat cooking. Roasting, frying, searing. Avocado oil. Why? Great for searing because it has a high smoking point of 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. Ghee, stable and very flavorful, also rich in healthy fats. Also a great option for frying is a beef tallow. Second, medium heat, cooking and baking. Extra virgin olive oil, safe for most cooking until 410 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius. And for baking, unrefined coconut oil, but this one gonna brings a little bit of the coconut flavor. And the third category, raw, finishing or dressings. And of course there's only one winner, and that's extra virgin olive oil, packed with antioxidants and flavor. And now a little bit about the health impact. Good oils will give you healthy fats, monounsaturated and omega-3, better cholesterol balance, reduce inflammation, better vitamin absorption, and most importantly, brain and heart support. On the other hand, the bad oils will also give you something: inflammation, higher risk of heart disease, faster aging, hormonal imbalance, and fat that stores easily in your body. So which one are you gonna choose? A quick recap: stick with the natural cold pressed oils and ditch the highly refined seed oils. Your body and your food will thank you. Thank you guys, that's everything from my side. If you would like to learn more about cooking and baking, don't forget to leave a subscribe and a like. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And I would love to see you in the next one. Ciao.